2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI keeps its iconic hot hatch styling while adding sharper LED lighting, a refreshed front bumper, and bold new wheel designs. The honeycomb grille and red accent line across the front fascia are signature GTI touches, while the aggressive stance and dual exhaust tips hint at the performance beneath. Available in striking colors like King's Red Metallic and Pomelo Yellow, the GTI maintains its standout appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 GTI packs a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, it offers a thrilling, responsive drive. The GTI's sport-tuned suspension, limited slip differential, and DCC adaptive chassis control deliver exceptional handling and agility, making it as fun on winding roads as it is on the highway. While the GTI's exterior dimensions remain compact, the rear seats offer enough room for adult passengers to ride comfortably on short trips. The 60-40 split folding rear seats increase versatility, easily expanding cargo space when needed. Rear air vents and USB-C charging ports add a touch of practicality for backseat occupants. Inside, the GTI balances sporty flair with modern refinement. Heavily bolstered sport seats with plaid upholstery nod to its heritage, while ambient lighting and high-quality materials create a driver-focused cockpit. The flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and digital displays enhance the athletic feel, while remaining comfortable and intuitive. Volkswagen equips the 2025 GTI with a suite of IQ Drive safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Optional upgrades like park assist and road sign recognition add further confidence and ease behind the wheel. Smart keyless entry, push-button start, and dual-zone climate control come standard, making every drive more convenient. The GTI also offers a hands-free power liftgate and customizable drive modes, allowing you to tailor your experience with ease. A standard 10.25-inch digital cockpit Pro display and 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system anchor the GTI's tech experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice controls, and an available Harman Kardon premium audio system elevate connectivity and sound. Over-the-air updates ensure the GTI stays current with new features. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI remains one of the most balanced and fun-to-drive hatchbacks on the market. It blends everyday practicality with sporty performance, high-end tech, and unmistakable style, making it a true enthusiast's car that doesn't sacrifice usability. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.